Ma'am, after analyzing the prelims 2026 GS paper, how was the history section in the paper?
See, overall history section has a mixed baggage. There were certain difficult questions, there were certain easy questions, and some certain questions were very analytical and thought provoking. So, just to give you an example, there have been 2021 questions, this year from history section, which is a huge chunk, right? And if we go topic wise, if we go subject wise, there have been a lot of analytical questions which require from the student that deep understanding of the subject, which is quite good thing about UPSC this time, that they have asked questions which is motivating the students to know many things from a very fundamental and conceptual level, right? So, for example, in modern Indian history, there has been a comparison based question on Eka and Bardoli. Similarly, when you talk about, a question from the perspective of Government of India Act 1919, there also they had checked those analytical skills, right? There have been a very cliched themes also asked in art and culture like Buddhism, Jainism. Yes, the level of difficulty has gone significantly higher. There have been questions which the students had to leave also, right? That is also one judgment which they had to do at the very moment there and then.
Okay. So, ma'am, what are the takeaways and key learnings from this paper?
See, I would recommend and always tell to the students that one has to go to the very fundamental conceptual understanding for every subject. Don't treat history as a factual subject. There are certain things, concept based, which one has to know and one has to learn also. And that is again given from the perspective of the UPSC, that they have asked those questions, which is, motivating the students to know history better.